Welcome to our video presentation of creating and modifying a repair order. This video will show you how to create and modify repair orders in the ShopWriter Plus system. Starting from our main window, click on the New RO button. You will now see your customer list. Begin by typing the last name of the customer into the yellow box labeled Last Name. You will see your list filter down to the customers that have a last name starting with the letter C. As you continue to type the customer name, the list will continue to filter until you have found your customer. Assuming your customer name is on the list, use your mouse to click on Repair Order for the customer you are selecting. Once you click on the Repair Order button for your customer, you will be taken to the customer window. If you should need to make any changes to the customer information, you can do so here. Then click on the Save Customer Info button. Notice your changes have been saved. Now you need to select the vehicle you're going to do the work on. If the vehicle is not in the list, click on the Add Vehicle button to add the vehicle information. Now enter the VIN and click on Decode. ShopWriter Plus will decode the VIN and fill in as much information as possible. Fill in the rest of the vehicle information. If the vehicle is older and you have only the cubic inch displacement of the engine, use the CID to liter conversion tool. This ensures accuracy of data. Once you have completed the vehicle information, click on the Add Vehicle button. Now that you are back on the customer screen, click on the Create RO button for the vehicle you will be working on. You will now be presented with the Customer Concern window. You can add up to 10 customer concerns, either by entering the information by hand or by selecting from the list of common concerns to the right. To enter a concern from the list, double-click on the concern. Once you have entered your concerns, you can now click on the Add Concerns button. You are now at the main repair order window. Enter the vehicle mileage, any comments you may have, the service advisor, source, and repair order type. Notice the customer concerns are separated on the repair order window. For the first item, brake noise, click on the Parts button. In the Part Selection window, enter the part number, or select Part Description from the drop-down box and search by description. Notice that as you type the letters, the list filters down to the part you need. Select the part from the list. If the part is not listed, click on Add New Part. You will then be able to add a part from scratch. For now, we will select part number BD195. The Part Detail window will allow you to change quantity, descriptions, discounts, or any other information on the screen. Notice that as you change the discount percent, the amount of the discount is reflected to the right, allowing you to see the dollar amount of the discount. Be sure to enter the invoice number from the part supplier that you are receiving this part from. This will enable you to look that information up at a later date. When you are finished, you can click on Add Part or Save and Add Another. This makes it faster to enter parts because you don't have to return to the repair order window each time you add a part. You can repeat this process for as many parts as you would like. When all of your parts are entered, you will be returned to the repair order window. You will now see that we have added brake pads and brake calipers to the brake noise customer concern for this repair order. Notice the customer concern brake noise is now white, while the oil change concern is still yellow. This is because you have added parts and/or labor to the customer concern. Now we will add the labor. On the labor window, you can add labor in one of two ways. First is to simply enter the description of the work you are going to do. Then enter the number of labor hours you will charge, and then click on the Add Labor button. The second way to add labor is using your custom list of labor ops. The bottom half of the labor window has labor operations with pre-selected descriptions and hours for the job. Simply select R&R LF caliper. Then click on the Add Labor Op button. Back on the repair order, you can see the new labor op added with the hours already entered. Any of the parts or labor you have entered can now be changed if necessary by clicking on the pencil on the line you wish to change. From here, you can change any information you want, then click on Post Changes. Now that you've created your new repair order and added parts and labor, there are just a few things you should know. You can now change the status, update revisions of the repair order, add fees and discounts, change the standard warranty, and show the payments made on this repair order. You can also print the repair order, get the history, change the service rider or mileage on the vehicle. Now that you have completed your repair order, click on the Save Done button. You will now be back to the WIP list. This concludes our presentation of creating and editing a repair order. Please be sure to see our Parts and Labor Guide video for a step-by-step process to use our fully integrated Parts and Labor Guide. From all of us at ShopWriter Plus, we thank you for your time and look forward to serving your shop management needs.